Hey guys, give me about 5 minutes and I'll show you how you can boost your conversion sky high, how you can learn and earn more money online, how you can automate your daily tasks, how you can get more leads. So let's begin.
Hey. I guess your eyes will get popping to get results like these from your personal affiliate marketing. $5,000 earning, $3,245, $1,397, $1,788, $1,840. It just keeps going and going. It is not a fluke. It is a proven system. Introducing done-for-you review funnels, world's first of its kind, completely done-for-you 3-in-1 review funnel suite. Tried, tested, and proven, maniacally powerful tools to generate, monetize, incentivize leads packed into a simple plug-and-play suite. Instant full-blown affiliate commissions generating funnels in just 3 clicks. Fully monetized, scalable, 5 minutes per day, and of course 99% passive, simple and newbie friendly. Now, look at how it works. So it all starts with you having a done-for-you squeeze page site like this that allows you to give away something of high value for free. Now you have this page set up that says free access, create stunning video review pages in minutes, and you have this powerful copy right inside of the page for you, already done for you. Now if someone visits this page that has been set up for you and fill his details like this, saying victory first at gmail.com and subscribe. This is whoa, it gets the person to the next page, which is your offer page, which you are giving the free tool out. First things first, you've gotten the visitor's lead, and just at the top here, you are already giving the person access to the valuable tool you are offering. And it doesn't end there. Of course, you've already won the heart of this visitor. You've won the heart of this subscriber. So he's now interested. He's already hooked on to you. Now reading below, he sees another offer that is related to the gift you've already given to him or her. Of course, he wants to scale up. And right inside of the page, you have a review video of the product which you are promoting. Right inside of it, you also have done for you bonuses which he stands to get. So once he clicks on it, he gets the offer, and of course he's going to get down to his bonus delivery pages where he's going to have access to all of his bonuses. So that's exactly the power that you get with done-for-you review funnels. This system leverages the proven psychology that forces people to pay you back for giving them something free. This is an opportunity to have your own 100% done-for-you affiliate review site preloaded with high converting product reviews and complimentary bonus. It starts here. So to the dashboard, all you need to do, hit on add new sites. On add new sites, you're going to find all the collections of our done for you, all preloaded, and of course all filled up with premium review videos. You don't have to stretch yourself getting any videos done. All videos, all bonuses, all page copies have been done for you. So you just scroll down and pick any that relates to what you want to offer. So let's say we just want to offer this, which is a video cropper tool. So all you need to do is select it, give your site a new name. So we're just saying vid tool, right? And give your site title, video cropper giveaway. Of course, you come down and hit on add site. And probably in few seconds, you have your new review site set up. All you have to do, you can come over here. Let's open this on a new tab and visit it. So right here, you could see the new offer you've set up. So you can do this for over 50 plus collections we have inside of Done For You Review Funnels. And of course, when you come over to see the dashboard, by clicking on dashboard right here, all you need to do further is to get over to pages, and on pages, hit on all pages. So when you hit on all pages, you're going to see all related Done For You pages that has been set up for you. Now get over to the front page. On the front page, you can come down and say Done For You Review Funnel Builder. So once you get over to this page, all you will do to edit this is to come over to the opt-in form you have here. Just left click on it, and it pops up the button. All you need to do, define your autoresponder you want to connect this to. So whichever autoresponder you want to connect this to, there's well over 20 autoresponders that are supported here. So definitely you will find your own autoresponder you can get connected to. So whichever one you pick, you give it a name, put your API key or the corresponding parameters required. And once you're done, you are done setting this up. All you need to do is to start pushing traffic. So once you're done there, hit on done, and so every other connections have been done. Of course, everything well optimized for your best performance. And for assets, you can always come to view asset right here. So opening this on the new tab, you see what you get to see with asset. Right on asset, you get to find the JV page, and of course we had to request that product link, which will allow you to edit your offer page, which will carry your particular affiliate link for promotions like this. So the paintings links you have here, it has to be your affiliate link, and that you will get from your asset page when you do request from your JV page. So again, with Done For You Review Funnels, you have over 50 plus templates, collections to pick from, and you have fully converting review videos right inside of your page done for you. You don't have to stress yourself any further. And each of our Done For You review pages comes with at least 5 exclusive congruent bonuses that you will find that will certainly convert any of your visitors to buy from you. So I have exclusive bonus 1, exclusive bonus 2, exclusive bonus 3, 4, and 5, and even more with some other pages. So this is truly the power that comes with Done For You Review Funnels. This system gives you the exact tools and system used by top-earning affiliates, winning product professionals, and irresistible review videos, well-written product description, and custom bonuses, all wrapped in one dashboard. So you don't need to make any videos, you don't need to write any content, you don't need to create your own product to sell. Without writing a single word of content, without creating a single video ever, without doing one tiny bit of SEO. So that's the part that comes with Done For You Review Funnel. Thank you.
Don't wait another minute. Act right now. Spots are limited, and judging by the amount of traffic that we're getting as we speak, I think tomorrow you'll see a big sold out message on our page.